Listen, everyone. This kingdom needs a mermaid queen.
That should be me. Pick me!
Oh, who is that pretty mermaid?
Hello.
She's perfect. I'm in love. Come, my mermaid queen.
Me?
Yes, my dear. Here, wear this crown. Let's rule the kingdom together.
Oh, I'd be glad to. That's not fair. I'm definitely prettier than her. Let's take revenge. Cast the net. It's over, Ballerina. Ah! No! Why are you doing this? Help! Please, let me go! This is where you belong. Goodbye forever, Ballerina. Oh no! What's gonna happen to Ballerina Cappuccina now? But I just want to try my luck. Oh no! Ballerina Cappuccina is stuck! But wait! Let's cut the net. And you're free! Oh no, you two are so messy! Eye mask! Under eye mask!
Facial
Hair
mask.
wash! Q-tips!
Lip mask. Ice globes.
Hickory! Bottle of glue! We have soap!
Okay, good.
Still have work to do! Now let's remove the things that don't belong on Ballerina's face. Ouch! It pinched me! How pretty! Whee!
Aha, let's go.
Maybe that's how she really looks. Oh no! Black ink!
No.
Nothing here! Let's use this soap to clean it up. Ew! So sticky! The tentacles left some wounds. And now, let's put some band-aids on it.
Woohoo!
We just have to wait. Ballerina's face is full of ripe pimples. We'll use some Q-tips to clean her up. Let's start with an anti-acne cream. We're gonna apply this on the pimples. And then we're gonna rub it. Look! Pimples are all gone!
Well done.
Oh, looks like it's time for us to remove the band-aids.
Woohoo!
Wow, her wound is
use some
healed!
band-aids to cover them up.
Good.
Let's open it. On the other eye.
Wow!
You're more or less clean now. Those eyebrows nicely. Ouch! Ouch! Your eyebrows will be pretty. Thank you so much! Bottle of glue. A Q-tip and some glue will do the trick. Let's apply glue on the cracks. Amazing results! We need an under-eye mask as well. That's better. I like it. That's it. Wow! The eye mask.
Yeah! Wow, it's beautiful!
Well done.
Nothing here.
Aha, let's go!
Wow, I love this color.
Wow!
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
All done. Facial wash. Let's begin. Ooh, I'm feeling better. That's the goal. We gotta wash it off with a facial wash.
All right.
Rub it well till it's foamy. Much better.
Good!
facial mask. Let's open it. Don't worry, we'll use a facial mask. Let's start. And ice globes. Ice globe massage time. Time to take it off.
Whoa.
Good.
Well done.
Awesome! It's makeup time! Yippee!
Just follow me.
It's makeup time! Yippee! How exciting!
Whoa.
Face powder! Cool! It even comes with a cute powder puff! Ooh, it smells so good! And it makes you look awesome too!
Okay.
Perfect! Contact lenses! Wow! And some pretty makeup, of course! That's awesome! I think that's it! Ta-da! An eyeshadow palette! Wow, the shade suits you very well! I love it! Now on the other eye. Wow, a mascara tube! Yippee! It's gonna make your lashes look super pretty. Now on the other eye. That's awesome! Perfect for long lashes. Wow, look at how pretty you are, Ballerina. Oh, wow, an eyebrow pencil. That's just the perfect shade for...
Okay.
Nice.
Oh, yes.
What's missing? Lipstick! Yes! We got a... Yay! It's a nice shade of pink lipstick! Wow! Shiny and pink!
Good.
Wow.
Oh, wow! It's a blush on! Oh, so pretty!
Good.
Ballerina's cappuccino needs some cream. Perfect! I love how you look. Ta-da! Wow! Oh, so pretty!
Good.
Well done.
Bye. I must go.
It's nice to be back. My king is waiting for me. So when you gonna crown me, huh?
Ballerina, is that you?
Yes, it's me.
Wow, you're prettier than ever. Come to me, my mermaid queen.